A series of disappearances in Berkshire is being investigated by the town.
I'm having 6 this year.
You have strong genes, Isla.
I'm having a little gathering on Saturday night for my birthday. I'd love it if you came.
Really?
Yeah?
I'll be there.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah.
This will be night online.
Over the course of this evening,
Ta-da!
you gentlemen are going to be subjected to several games that are designed to test you in each and every way.
Why us?
Isn't it obvious? To give me my perfect child.
No one walks away from this!
Welcome to the family.
Let's turn to our winner. Now relax. This won't hurt a bit.